What's going on, guys? It's actually my second time recording this video, but we're not going to do no truck stuff today. I'm putting a hold on. But today we're going to be working on this 2019 K&M 570 XMR that I picked up. I took that off because the video I recorded before this was supposed to be taking all this stuff off, all the orange stuff off, and get powder coated. But my powder coat guy is going out of town, so we're not going to do that today. We're actually going to put on a rad relocate wild boar. We're going to put on this wild boar rad relocate I picked up. Hopefully I can get that done today pretty quick. Shouldn't be too hard. And then probably at the end of this video, or the rest of this video, is going to be riding, hopefully in Durham town. So let me get to ripping all this stuff apart real quick, which I'm pretty sure I just got to take this off. Take this off, get that front bumper out of the way, get some stuff out, the other stuff out of the way, get a rad relocate out the way, or the rad out the way, which it shouldn't be too hard, too hard. I'm not big on K&M guys. I ain't really mess with them too much, so it's my first one. So we're gonna be learning today. So people that don't know, we're gonna be going through this together. People that do know, let me know what to do differently in the comments and stuff like that. All right, so I got this cover piece off right here, which is pretty simple. You pop the two tabs off right here. The front up here, pull up, put that in like reverse or neutral or something, and then come back over here and pull up right here and pop these two off. Or you take the seat off too, which I got a new seat coming for that. It's gonna be purple. That's what the color, I don't know if y'all know, but I didn't mention it, but I'm gonna do purple for this, purple and white like the Tahoe. So I gotta figure out new wheels, gotta get new handlebars so they can be powdered, get a new shocks. I might get a lift, don't know yet. So if I get a new lift, I might get everything, the arms and everything powdered purple and white maybe. See what I gotta do there. And then yeah, got this off. I might have to take these off too. I'm just gonna take them off. They're pretty simple. You just pull off. Oh, another one down there, and then that's it. I just want to take that off, get off the way just in case, because I don't know how in depth I need to go. I might have to take this off. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Might look at some videos. So I ain't just completely free balling this real quick. So let me look at something. I'm just gonna get this. I know how to. I mean, it's pretty simple to get this bumper out of the way, but I'm just gonna look at videos, make sure I don't mess anything or mess anything up. So let me do it real quick. All right, so you gotta take the horn off to get this front bumper off. But if you don't got a front bumper, then you don't need to take it off. But it should be a 13 mil. Take that off in there and that one. So let me take those off real quick and then start getting the radiator out. All right, so I got the front bumper off. It's just two bolts, two 13 bolts right here on the top. One there, one there. Those are super easy to get to, but these two right here are fucking difficult to get to. Though you gotta come in through the side and kind of work it. But those two are off. I'm gonna take these two off right here. I luckily got a size that big, so I'm gonna take those two off because those two mount right there. So I'm gonna take those two bolts off and take the radiator out. Now this is out the way. Just goes right there. Take these two 10 mils out right here. That one and that one, and then you take that hose off right here. Take that hose off. And come around, take this one off too. And then drain it. I got a bucket right here. So it somewhat drains into it, maybe. Maybe not. It might not. I might make a mess, it'll be alright. We're in the dirt, so. But take that off, take the other hose off, 2 10s, and it should slide out because we gotta pop it out of these two places right there. Those right there, just little push pins to push down on, so you should be able to pull up, and it should be able to slide out. Should be able to slide out either this way or the other way. So let me do that real quick, and then we can get the rad out. All right, so I got the radiator out real quick. It's a little bit harder than I thought it was, but what you really need to do is just really pick up this just enough. Pick up that, and use your other hand, or have somebody pull up on the radiator and kind of tilt it forward and pull up, and it'll slowly start to come out of place. But I'll just rinse it off, just get all the mud and stuff out of the fins, which we should be good. But I think I might just get a new radiator because some of these fins are messed up. But yeah, the radiator's out. Now I just gotta get to putting that on. But actually, I think I have somebody that I can do powder, so probably gonna go drop those off at powder right now. That the rear rack and the rear bumper. So actually gonna take the bumper off real quick, which, like I said at the beginning of this video, shouldn't be too hard. Should be a couple 13s or 10 mils. You got 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. I think 2 up here, and that should be it. I find it best if you take this out of the way just to get to this back bolt for the bumper. Just take, this one's easy to get to. Just take the tail light out, and that's also, you gotta take the tail light out to get to the bolt that holds that down, which is, I can't show you. Oh, it's right here, that right there. So you gotta take the tail light out anyway. So it's just this and that, and then take that bolt out, and you can put a wrench in back here and get this one out. So this is the last bolt that should be holding on. Well, other than the other side tail light, I gotta take the other side tail light off and everything. But turns out this is gonna be a teardown video pretty much. Because I'm probably gonna take off the handlebars too, so I can go get everything powdered. I was thinking about taking coil springs off, but I don't know. I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait till I get new ones to do that. So I'm just gonna take the rear bumper off, take the rack, their new rally locate, and the handlebars off to go get it powdered. So let me finish taking this bumper off, and that should be it. All right, so I got the rear bumper out. Took a lot of persuasion because it was getting tight in here. I guess because all the dirt buildup and stuff in there. But I got it out. I put all the bolts back in the same spot so I don't lose them or nothing like that. So I guess I got to figure out where I'm gonna put these. I guess I can somewhat put them back right there. All right, so I'm actually gonna wait on the handlebars. I'm probably gonna order some new ones. Order some new handlebars. Order some new handlebars, order new coil springs, need new tires. Probably get a lift kit. Don't know. Might be a little bit. Nothing too crazy. So I can get bigger tires and clear them. But yeah, I mean, I got rear bumper off, rack off, and that front bumper's off too. But we're gonna get the rally locate powdered. So I pretty much got everything on back on, and I'm gonna move it out the way and everything. I'm gonna push it over out the way. But all right, so it's later on in the day. I got everything, like I said, dropped off the paint match and stuff. Then ended up taking the handlebars off. Don't feel like messing with all this stuff and not having these lines, because these are actually in the paint. So I gotta figure out what to do with that so it's not off and wonky. But I think I'm gonna order a couple things for service wise. But got off the phone with my paint man, and he's gonna make sure I end up painting all the black and white color. I don't want to really reveal the color yet. So I'm just gonna take all the plastics off and stuff like that, which is not too bad. I might leave this on, just figure out something to clean it up maybe, which that should be easy to clean. I might end up getting some JRPW taillights and headlights and taillights, so I'm not really worried about that. So I gotta figure that out. And I'm also end up getting a new exhaust. So I'll get these plastics off and pretty much get it down to just the frame and everything else. So, but it's pretty simple. I mean, this is already off, but I already showed. Just pulled it up the front and just slide this back, pop these two off, and it's got screws and stuff. So I also got new floorboards. They're getting powdered by a buddy. He makes floorboards, so I got some of his. So I'm not too worried about these. But yeah, I'm gonna get these plastics off and then send them off to the paint man. Hopefully I can get it back by the same time I get powder. I can throw it all together and it should look good. I still might have this stuff orange and the shocks orange, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out about that. I'm gonna look around, see if I can find a little lift or something and some different wheels. So let me get these plastics off real quick. All right, well, I got all the plastics off. Looking a little spare real quick because that wasn't even bolted on. I just threaded it on. I need to tighten that so it holds this up. But I got everything off. Got the key starter thingy off. It's weird shit. But yeah, I got floorboards off because I'm getting new ones, of course. Everything's off. They're actually over there to get clean. But I'm going to clean this up too. I need to get a pressure washer. I'm probably going to buy a pressure washer to get this stuff clean. Pressure wash the plastics and drop those off tomorrow. Might hang these up because I don't want these. Well, I'll just put them right there. Might order new taillights. I don't know. Maybe not. or I might just redo these. But yeah, this is how it's gonna sit until powder's done and the paint's done. But I'm gonna clean it all up, make it look nice. So I guess I'm just gonna either little montage of cleaning it, or just wait until everything comes back from powder and paint and stuff like that. So I guess I don't know.